what I want you to do is I want you to get comfortable, get that up in the air, get your arm up in the air, and we're gonna start there, and you're gonna zigzag it, and you're gonna weld those two together. So what's that?
We do a seed or two.
Do what?
We do a seed.
Always little seeds. Now remember, we're not dancing everywhere. We're a little seeds, okay? Yeah. Try not to watch it with your eyes, Patty.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Little seeds. You ready? Oh, wait a minute. We gotta get our ground. Remember? We gotta have our ground. You're good. I got the ground. Oh, that's you.
Stop!
Are you ready? All right. Start right here at the beginning. You want to join the two pieces together so it's middle. Nice and slow. Yeah. We're dancing. You were dancing. We don't want to dance. Okay?
What's dancing mean?
He's all over the place.
Well, it may take some practice.
I know. Just educate you. You're the photographer. You're creating the movie. You're not the teacher. All right. Are you comfortable? Yeah.
Put a shield down. Put a shield down.
Stay in one spot. Be comfortable. Get in there. Get closer. Slow down. Slow down. You got a little tack there, but you're going a little too fast. See how it's a little?
Have you done it yet? Like, show me?
I've done it twice. I'll show you again.
Okay.
So because it's little, because you weren't there long enough, you want to be there long enough to bring the two together in holy matrimony. Okay? All right, let's do it again. You can start over that. It'll melt it. Yeah, looks good to me. Stay slow and steady. In your crack. There you go. Slow. There you go. Go up, down, up, down, up, down. Oh, Jay. Jay. Look how much better that looks. Come here, Patty.
Oh, wow.
Jay. Look how much better.
That's cool.
Now over here, he was dancing.
Okay.
That's mine. That was his little first doodabbies.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he was just everywhere.
But it looks like...
All right, I'm ready. You do when you can get. You watching? See those little seeds? See, look at mine. A lot smoother, it flows.
See, but you're
Pieces together so they're strong. Okay? But yours, that's pretty dang good for the first few tries. You know what I'm saying? That would hold. That would hold these for a long while, but eventually it would get worn down, it might crack. But still, that's very good. Get a little higher. So versus like that, because I feel like the wire's shooting that way, I want it to come down more into the weld. You see what I'm saying? Were you low? Yes, sir. But now you gotta get, there you go. All right, now you look really good right there. You plug it up. Let me see you get in position again. Get comfortable. Think you're comfortable right there? All right, let me know when you're ready to start. All right, come down. In the crack. There you go. You gotta push it down in the crack. It'll go, it'll burn. Go ahead. Yep, it'll burn. Go ahead, push. Can you see your crack? You couldn't see your crack. Yeah. I'll tell you what, my shield has a lens that's a little clear. Use mine. I'll use this one. Help your melon head. Loosen it. Wow. All right. Put that one on your head and then tighten it up. Yeah, you are safe. Thank you. Push it in and turn it. Ready?
Chase, you can make all kind of stuff learning how to weld.
Yeah. All right. So, huh? Yeah. You'll like it. All right. So, let's go left or right so you can see your crease better. Pulling it towards you, I don't think you can see it as good. Be comfortable. No, it'll melt. You just go side to side, but make little C's. Start on the ends. Right there. There you go. Come back. Oh, but you keep joining forces. Dave, good job. Look, Dave, keep going. Don't stop. Get a little bit closer to your weld. Go closer now. Get your nozzle closer. There you go, right there. Stay right there. Good job. Wow, see how you join forces? I mean, that was good though because you got a big crack. But then you started getting your gun away. And then the wires have to go that far to get to the metal. So you got to keep it. You got to do several things all at one time. But you did very good there. You want to try it again?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm ready when you are. Yep, start right there in your crack. Yep. Good job. Good job. Keep going, keep going. Pull your trigger. All right, see how it burned away the edge? Right there? All right, it's all the way down in the hole.
Oh!
All right?
Yeah.
It's all right, it won't burn your eyes unless you do it a lot. All right, watch me. You ready? Good job.
Oh, thank you.
Who's got the best looking hair in the neighborhood?
Me.
Are your guns loaded and ready?
Locked and loaded.
Man, what you talking? About like that. Nice tack. Sounding good. All right. That sounded very nice. What's it look like?
I think it's actually pretty good.
All right. How's it look, Chase?
Looks great.
Chase put me a little tack. Great job, Chase. Nice.
The only thing is that the wire is
All right.
kind of like in the way almost.
All right. You got to get comfortable, but also you got to work with what you got. You got to make it work. Okay? All right, bring your head down. Remember I taught you how to bring it down with your head? There you go. Good job. All right.
Okay.
Get comfortable. Give me a nice little tack. There you go. Man, that sounded good. How's it look?
Horrible.
Yeah, huh?
Horrible.
It looks good?
It's not
Oh, it
even-
looks horrible?
It's not even touching it.
It's not even touching it?
No.
Oh, yeah, you gotta, all right, remember you gotta touch the two and you gotta marry them together. All right?
Yes,
Let's
sir.
do another one. All
My
right.
bad.
No, it works, it works. All right, let's go down and get another one. Remember you gotta go back and forth a little bit, right?
Yes, sir.
How we looking? How we look there?
It looks better.
Looks a lot better?
We got that bottom part. But
Yeah, all right, you got them together. That's a tack. All right, we'll go with that. Now, see, I can weld that and finish weld it there. Very good. Very good.
that one looks a lot better.
Good job. Nice and big. Tie them in together. There you go. Get comfortable. Oh, I like that. Get down in there. That's right. That sounds good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Generally, you wouldn't wear Crocs to weld in.
Yes, sir.
So maybe next time we'll come maybe with some boots on. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But that's all right. You all right?
I'll flip them over.
You all right?